Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make poll on YouTube. What you need to do, first just go to YouTube and log in your account and then click here your channel. And then click community. And then you click poll. Ask your community. Now type the question here. For example, if I say, what is your favorite city? Now you have here two options, but you can add more. For example, here if I say Tokyo, Paris, if that is enough, just click post. But if you want to add more, then click here, add another option. Berlin, you want to add more, then just click add another option. Miami, add another option, and let's say London. Now I have 5 options, then just click post. This is what you need to do if you want to create poll on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.